How you can edit your CamScanner PDF file. In this video, I'll show exactly how you can do it. So, let's get started. First, open the CamScanner app on your phone. Make sure the free trial is turned on, then tap Continue. Button to scan your document. Allow the app to use your camera. You can use the sample document to try it out. Once the document is scanned, you'll see it on the screen. It's just like scanning a real paper. Tap the green check mark at the bottom right. Now you'll see your file. Tap Got it to move ahead. To start editing your PDF, tap the Edit button. You'll see many options. You can crop, add filters, add text, erase, sign, and even use a brush or add a watermark. Let's try adding a sign. Tap on Sign and Stamp. Now you can draw your signature with your finger. When done, tap Go. The sign will appear on the page. You can move it to the right spot. Once you finish editing, tap the check mark again, then tap Done. Tap the three dots and choose Save to Gallery. Your file is now saved and you can send it to your PC, and that's it. That's how you can edit your CamScanner PDF file.